Hello. Today we are going to do a brief approximation on learning what is a sustainable architecture, its principles, and illustrate it with an outstanding example. The idea of sustainability or ecological design is to ensure that our actions and decisions today do not inhibit the opportunities of the future generations. It seeks to minimize the negative environmental impact of buildings in the ecosystem. There are many stages to effective sustainable architectural design. We begin with a sketch design. This stage is also known as concept design. It involves the inspection of the site to assess the conditions and constraints as well as meetings for briefing purposes to establish the master planning or long-term objectives for the site. Then detailed design are need to be considered, including the resolution of the constructional systems, materials, and the finishes in accordance with the project budget and site constraints. You would do this in collaboration with your building's designer until you are both happy with both the design and the budget. Contract documentation involves the preparation of drawings, including plans, elevations, and sections, together with other details and schedules to enable the project to be approved by the authorities, tendered, and constructed. And finally, contract administration will generally allow a sustainable building planner to act as your representative in all negotiations concerning construction, quality, and monetary payments, thereby offering you a degree of protection in an area that you may not be familiar with. The American Society of Healthcare Engineering Green Building Committee developed a construction guidance statement to answer the question of what sustainable design and construction means in the context of a healthcare facility. Although this material is intended as a guideline for new construction, many of the principles can be applied to existing buildings as well. Common practices for integrating sustainability into the design process address those aspects as site design, water, energy, indoor environmental quality, materials and products, construction practices, operations and maintenance, commissioning, and innovation. Now that we know a little of sustainable principles, we can take a glance of an incredible green architecture. The project demonstrates how technology, planning, and design can be applied sensitively to generate a comfortable, luxurious, yet sustainable family home. Situated in Singapore, we can find Gus Architects' project, the so-called Cluny House. It is a vision of a luxury that sips energy and evokes its natural surroundings around every corner. The core of the home is a water court surrounded by open-air rooms crowned with green roofs. The smart design incorporates a range of green building strategies including material reuse, energy harvesting, and water conservation. The accommodations strike a subtle balance between sustainable building, nature, and high design. The result is a low-energy luxury. The home's seamless integration of natural elements pays off. The open courtyard with a beautiful pond in the center not only immerses residents in nature, but also promotes good cross ventilation throughout the home. Plants ringing the rooftop also help cool the space, and they are fed by water from rain runoff. The home itself is constructed by reclaimed teak and timbers made from small strips of wood which would otherwise be scrap. Huge open spaces melt with the interior courtyard as a result of these structural elements. An EIB system may give the home its brains, but the high-tech heart of the project is an integrated solar electric and solar thermal system that provides for much of the home's energy needs. This integration of technology and nature deserves special mention in a compelling design that could realistically become the model of sustainable living. So remember, green buildings are a hallmark of economically sound business decisions, thoughtful environmental decisions, and smart human impact decisions. Now we can have confidence to say that good architects think green. Thank you.